Hey guys, yeah, it's been a small while since the last Generations Devlog. Yeah, it's a small while.
Bruh.
But a lot of stuff happened which I won't go detail into, and I'm finally working on Generations again. This is the progress that I've made in the last week. I already finished this week's progress, so I'm not going to be adding anything new in this devlog. This will just be a showcase. So yeah, let's start. So we have this rather small world. I didn't try that hard. We have a player, we can move around like a regular Generations version. It does look better than the first devlogs, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, there's some animations. They were just temporary. There's trees. This is basically the main playing thing, like some bushes, some plants. Yeah, there's actually a day-night cycle. I don't know if it's too visible. A day is supposed to last like 20 minutes. You have some rocks. You can actually break all of these. Like when you get better tools here, the animation system is all gonna be reworked. This is just the test I made in like 10 minutes. You can pick up the rocks and actually hold them like in your inventory. This is the crafting menu. We're gonna be going over the crafting menu later. Let me get that on my hand. Don't ask why the shadow is broken. I will explain that later in a later video. What we can do actually is we can go to a tree now and yeah, let's find a tree. Let's collect some rocks first. And this tree seems fine. We can actually break this tree with this rock. There's no sound currently, but like this footage is kinda a bit old. There is sound right now. This is a crafting menu. Select an item you like. In this case, I selected the plank. You put the item on the required slot, and then you get the crafted item. In this case, planks. I want to create a stick now, but I don't have the 2 wood necessary, so let's go cut down another tree. Different weapons cut down trees at different rates, like the rock is the slowest imaginable. Like for trees and stuff it's fine, but later stuff like ores, it will be a nightmare. Let's create a stick. Now as you can see, those recipes are locked. To unlock them you need skills, levels. That's up there. When that bar fills up, you get a level. That's your XP bar. To unlock the first item, you need 1 level. A good way of farming levels is just by eating. When you eat corn from plants, you get some experience. You get 10 XP. Again, these values will be balanced better. Right now, they're not the best. Let's cut down another tree. Because cutting down trees actually gives XP too. I mean, not as much, as I said, it's really not done yet. It should be the opposite. You can destroy the rocks too, but I'm not gonna do that with a rock, that will take forever. Let's eat. It shouldn't take much longer for me to reach level 1. Let's get some more corn. Where is the other part of corn? I think it's somewhere around here. My goodness, I am blind. And now that we ate the corn, we are level 1. When we open our inventory, we can see that wooden hammer has been unlocked. We can craft a wooden hammer with the necessary ingredients, which we have. Here I have it on my hand. And see how fast this cuts down a tree. Yeah, it's quite a bit faster than the rock. Yeah, you can also destroy these rocks. As I said, animations, particles, and sounds will be added, but I don't think it's the correct time to add them now. After a few hits, you can break the rock and it gives you rock. This is it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.